Hi, to adjust refresh rate on your OnePlus Nord 3, as a first step, let's open Settings, then go in the Display and Brightness tab, and after that, at the bottom of the screen, we would see this section Screen Refresh Rate. So we have three options: Auto Select, Standard, and High. High uses up to 120 Hz for smoothest effect. You can see this on the top of the screen. You can see the difference between high and the standard one. So standard conserve battery, of course, but your phone will be lagging, as you can see here in this example. And Auto Select is the most compatible option with your phone, so it conserves battery power and also the scrolling will be not so bad. So I suggest you to choose one of two options, either Auto Select or the high one. And if you choose high one, you can also see the step app-specific refresh rate. And here you can see 120 Hz for each of the app. You can tap it and switch to smallest option. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.